Here, this is the magnetic field. This was kicked in first, and now you can see that all the other metronomes are randomly kicked on. What does this test show us or tell us is very simple, because it tells us the principle of resonance. So how are we going to explain it? Now you can see that all these metronomes, they are vibrating quite randomly within their own frequencies. But you also see that over time, they will all become synchronized with the one which was initially turned on by the guy who used the finger on it. And this is how I always try to explain resonance. If a lot of receivers are tuning into an information which a sender sends out and which is at the end understood by the receiver. And think about this analogy. Every metronome is representing a cell in your body. And this one behind is the PEMF device. So if you get exposed to a PEMF field with a certain frequency, where all your cells are capable of resonating with it, they will, over a certain period of time, tune into this frequency you send out. And you can see now, after maybe 2 minutes, right now the video is 1 minute and 50 seconds, most of the cells are already tuning into that carrier frequency. And of course, there's always that one guy you can see here on the right side in the second row. It's still totally off sync because it didn't yet happen, but it will maybe take another 30, 40 seconds. And then this little fellow cell here will also start tuning into this exposed frequency. So you can see now it's not yet, still flipping over, but you can see. And this analogy will help you. And the same happens when you are exposed to a whole body mat, that, you know, within that 8, 16, 24 minutes you lie on it, all these cells, they will start resonating, all the cells will understand that information, and we assume it's a lot because we work with a lot of single frequencies at a time, you know, that they will eventually resonate with that kind of sender information. And this is what we want to achieve in order to create a holistic cellular effect in our entire organism, increasing membrane potential. And this increase of membrane potential leads to a better absorption of all the nutrients, all the vitamins, all the oxygen. And this leads to a better digestion within the mitochondria. And this leads to a better production of ATP. And this leads to a distribution of more energy, which then can be used to strengthen the immune system, to strengthen the healing forces inside the body, and so on and so on. The principal goal is resonance. And if you create resonance, you will make sure that all bodies are, or all cells in your body, they are doing what you want them to do. And this is the holistic effect of PEMF. Pretty cool stuff, and this explains resonance.